again, these things are fucking everywhere, dude. There's one right there. He's going into the side, though. If I don't get him... Where's that spray I found? And this fridge is just clearly not fucking clean, man. I mean, what the fuck? There's mold in this thing. Yeah, this was not clean. There's pee on the fucking toilet seat. What the fuck? There's pee on the fucking toilet seat. I never ever wipe down. Oh, you ever fucking wipe these things out, man? You know, you're unbelievable. So this is the RV as I left it. Cleaned the carpets, cleaned everything. Here's a video of the RV since the owner is clearly yelling at me. I got it with fingerprints, no fingerprints. I wiped everything down. I cleaned everything. There is toilet paper in the toilet because I didn't turn the pump on. But we can just clearly fix that really easily. And now that problem is solved. There was pee on the toilet seat when I got it, which is in one of the videos I have. I'll take this with me. All the drawers are empty. Everything's clean. The floors are clean. Everything's clean. I missed one thing. He's mad about tape, which I can get off, and dishes, which I did not see because they were covered. And I missed one fucking thing, which is this, and he's screaming at me.